Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. So this is Tian, and in this video I'm going to talk about the classic editor. So as you know, Gutenberg has made some changes and you can no longer see the classic editor when you are actually composing a new post. So whenever you click on add new and you go to create a new post, you can see this Gutenberg editor, which is kind of nice. I like this, so it's okay for me. But a lot of people are not okay with the Gutenberg editor yet, and they prefer using the classic editor. So where you can find the classic editor if you are not uh, going to use the Gutenberg. So you need to go to plugins and you need to click on add new. So in add new, all you have to do is you have to search the classic editor. Okay, I don't have to search because the classic editor is already here. But in case if you don't see it here, all you have to do is click on search plugins and write classic editor, and this will pop up. So you can just install it, and I've clicked on install, and it's installing right now. So after install, I'm just gonna activate this one, and if I activate this one, I can get the classic editor whenever I'm actually using that. So I'm going to go add new post, and in add new post I can see the classic editor back. So this is for the people who are not comfortable using the Gutenberg plugin yet. If you don't want to use the classic editor, you can simply delete this plugin that I just installed. But if you want to use this, so this is the way. This is the way you can get back your classic editor and you can just feel the old vibe of WordPress. But the thing is, as Gutenberg has already been a huge part of WordPress already, there's no scope that WordPress will uh, rule out the Gutenberg plugin from its core. So eventually it will be more stronger than ever in the upcoming days. It kind of gives me the medium vibe. So if you do not want to use the if you want to use the classic editor, that's absolutely fine. But if you want to be updated with the market, then you should use Gutenberg as well, because this is the uh, editor for the future. So that's about it in my this video. This is just a reminder that how you can use the classic editor. So that's about it. So I'll be seeing you guys in my next video. Till then, everyone, take care.